Let's go over the syllabus for differential equations, Math 85, Spring 2021. Fully online again. So, my name is Dr. Leonard Crow, or Len Crow. My office is, of course, virtual. We use Zoom. On Canvas, there'll be a link to my office directly. We'll use that for everything now. My phone number is this. If you have to leave a message or can't get to an email, you leave the message and I get it on my email. Essentially, is what happens. The best way to reach me, of course, is email. I get it all the time, and I will respond usually within a couple hours. During the week, at most a day, 12 hours. Over the weekend, I might wait later, or I might get back to you and we'll set something up. So I'm very flexible on that and communicate very well through email. Let's see. There will be for the class. Well, maybe it depends on all of you. Didn't work out last 85 class, but I'll do live problem sessions where we go through a mini lecture and then do problems together. We'll see how that goes, depending on the class, of course, and the timing. So some of this stuff is just kind of obvious. I just put it down. Office hours. So office hours are really, you just request it and we'll do an office hour. I mean, I'll do it throughout the week. There's really no set time. The problem sessions will be set and will be, all of those hours basically are kind of like office hours, but I'll do individuals or even separate group ones. Just depends on what you want to do. Required text is called Fundamentals of Differential Equations, 9th edition by Nagel, Saff, and Snyder. I don't have I'll hold up a picture on the welcome. No, yeah, I'll do a welcome video for all my classes, and I'll hold that one up as well. The prereq is Calc 3, multivariable, which you all know that. The grading scheme is basically, the quizzes are just like mini exams, and we do about every 2 weeks. That's described down here. So that's 70%, and the final exam is 30%. So that's how we'll do it. I'll give you about a week to complete it, and final exam will give you about 2 weeks to complete it. So essentially, it's on your own, open book, open note, and you turn it in. More details to follow on that. I will be assigning homework, but I do not collect it. The quizzes, essentially, it's almost like homework anyway. So you have to do the quizzes, you need to know how to do the homework. That's really how it goes. In this format, there's really no way to do it where it's an actual exam. So that's just how we're going to do it this time. So about every 2 weeks, I think we do have a spring break in there, so we'll probably not do something over that. We'll see how it goes, but essentially that. We don't cover nearly all the sections in these chapters, but we do cover a lot of stuff. Chapter 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, and the last thing in 9.5. So there's a lot of material, so we leave off a lot of things, but the content is very rich. The book has a lot of material in it. So we'll cover what's needed for the class in this course outline of record. Attendance basically access Canvas and turn things in. So this is just sort of a disclaimer type stuff. If you stop coming, though, I have to give you a grade. So make sure you drop, okay, if you intend not to continue. Many of you already know all this. You got to be dedicated to the class and what to do. It's a little different, of course, online, but we'll make the most of it as we go. And I put this on here as well. Turn your cell phones and try to have fewer distractions during the Zoom meetings. Okay, and next page. Here's the basic outline. A couple weeks on chapter 1, a few weeks on chapter 2, etc. And I know this order is off, but it just flows a little better. Chapter 8 is on series solutions to differential equations. And then chapter 7 is on Laplace transforms, which is a little different, like a little weird stuff. So I want to do this first and then come back to the 7. Almost every chapter is independent as you go through it. Okay, so final exam isn't really by appointment, although you can meet with me and ask me stuff online. Office hours, again, by appointment, just set a time and we will meet through Zoom. You need to have, of course, electronic equipment, a computer that has the ability to download PDFs, write out stuff. So you want to download the PDF, okay, write stuff out, another page, write stuff out, another page, write stuff out, and then have one PDF that you turn in, one file. That's taken forever for me to get that across, but one file that's uploaded. So you need to have the ability to do that. Of course, access Canvas and Zoom. Okay. Miscellaneous stuff. You're not going to get much help really in the Math Center. Some of you maybe are the Math Center, so really it's each other and me of what you'll need to do to get together and discuss this stuff. Please read through the personal note. I'll do everything I can to help you. I enjoy seeing all of you succeed and move on and transfer to all those colleges and get high degrees and stuff. You are our top students. Behavior code. Please don't post videos on your own. And some cool quotes that I've gathered over the years for you to peruse. Some of my old professors here and here. I like to put down. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.